Hello, it's Adrian Crawford. It's Walkabout Wednesday, and the spring is in the air. Things are changing here. The snow is gone and the sun's shining today, so let me take you for a walk around, show you what's in. Well, this is a view out of my office, and it's a beautiful view. I'll point out a few of the really special cars. Down here underneath, look at this right-hand drive 1957 356. This is a 1600 Super. It's an original right-hand drive car, owned by a Greek family new that lived in London and had very few owners since. It's got all its history with it, and it's been beautifully restored, although that restoration was well worth the money, because it's certainly not cheap. When it was restored, it's actually lasted really well, and that's a very, very sweet little car. Beside it, we've got our RSK Special, which is waiting for a new home. That's a gorgeous little thing. This is a work of automotive art, and there's no mistake. Now, we'll do the classics. We got this fantastic 73 2.4e full history car. Really, really good, authentic 82,000 mile example in light yellow. It's unusual colour for it, and it's unusual to have an English car, seeing that we have all the salt on the roads and the corrosion, that's in such a fine state. For drivers and for the fun for the summer, a couple of nice 3.2s here. My old favourite's back. This is an FVD 993 bi-turbo. Something special there, 530 horses. I tell you what, I've been up the road in that. It's a long time since I've driven it, and it's still as impressive as it ever was. That thing absolutely rocks. We've got a 997 here, really good spec. I love this car. It's a special order colour with the ceramic brakes, which I like, the wheels, and comfort seats in it. Well, for a 997 GT3 comfort seats, they're the sports chairs, look, with the Alcantara centres, and that's a really great combination for road. Low mileage example, really nice. Now, interestingly, we've done a rev range check on this, so we can interrogate them with a computer to see if they've been over revved, and this one's never been over revved, which is unusual on a GT3. 997 bi-turbo, super low mileage car. Chartreuse green 930 special build. I went out in this one a few days ago for a video shoot. Brilliant, brilliant car, really exciting to drive. Detail on this car is really nice. I'll just show you one thing. So it's a ducktail spoiler, you'll all recognise that. It's a glass fibre ducktail from the 73 cars, but modified for the intercooler of this turbo. So probably 360 horses in a car that I'm guessing weighs about 1,100 kilos. That thing absolutely flies. Really good car. What else have we got here? Super 964 convertible. This one's going off for a magazine shoot soon. It's a 964 special build supercharged car. We've got quite a lot of information on our website about that. And then we've got a one owner 993 convertible. I've had this a little while. I don't know why I haven't sold it. The condition is there, the provenance is there. It is I'll never see another one like it. If you want a new 993, we've got it there. Well, it's almost new. 968 Club Sport, which I think is on its way out. The 964 convertible, plus some other moderns outside. So we've just spotted Louise out there. She doesn't like being filmed. She likes being behind the camera more than she likes being in it. Here we go with our 356 Special, which is coming in. This is called a Sportlet, and there's only one of them. We'll be putting it on sale soon. I'll tell you all about it in another video. You've got 993 in for maintenance. Lovely little SC in Minerva blue, very unusual colour, in for some bodywork. What else have we got around here? 997 Boxsters. These are the normal things that we have. Now I'm going to take you in the workshop and show you around in there. Now here we are, this is where the work gets done, and it's nice to see it's all going on. We've got the car on the left coming in for an inspection. We inspect them before we sell them. Ditto on this BMW CS. Got 1, 2 for normal maintenance there. Mark's on four-wheel alignment. And Ian is on detailing, doing a good job, always does a good job. So what we got here then, and you on film?
That is a 1956 60 horsepower 356 engine.
It looks like it's from 56. It looks like it's been dug out of a pit somewhere. Oh my God! This, you can't believe that this was a performance engine of its time. No. Look at it; it's hardly anything. Is that all there is?
That's it. It's missing a bit of timber and an exhaust, but it's
19.
really complete. It's really complete.
Yeah. So our job here is that Graham will take this apart, rebuild it, make it look like new, make it go better than new. That's the deal. And then we've got to reinstall it in the customer's car. Oh, that's cool. That is, it's ugly, but it's cool.